As a leader or manager, do you struggle to hold your team accountable? If you do struggle, is it because you don't want to look too demanding? Maybe you are afraid of offending them. Or maybe it just feels uncomfortable. Well, you are not alone. Studies show 82% of leaders fail to hold their teams accountable. But here is the hard truth. This mindset is killing your team's success and also your success. What if, instead of avoiding accountability, you used it as a powerful tool to build a high-performing, unstoppable team? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. Stick with me, because by the end, you will have the blueprint to create a team that plays to win. This could change the way you lead forever. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Kamal Rashid, a London-based management consultant with over 20 years of experience, including time at a Big Four firm and a FTSE 100 company. I have worked with hundreds of organizations and thousands of leaders and managers across the UK and Africa. In my videos, I share practical tips and strategies on leadership, people management, and peak performance. My goal is to help leaders, managers, entrepreneurs, and businesses navigate challenges and achieve superior results. Let's dive in. Accountability in a team means that every member takes full ownership of their actions, decisions, and performance, whether good or bad. And here is the crucial part. They understand that performance, whether good or bad, comes with consequences. So, what's the real challenge? The challenge is simple. Accountability is not happening in teams and organizations. Instead, we see leaders who are soft on accountability. Are you soft on accountability? When accountability is weak or completely missing, you commonly hear statements like, targets are missed, projects are delayed or failed, budgets are overspent, and deadlines are not met. And then, nothing happens. No consequences, things move on, teams move on, just business as usual. And what does that lead to? More missed targets, more delays, more underperformance. But here is the fact. These failures don't happen by themselves. Or the other scenario is when failure happens, leaders start pointing fingers, looking for someone to blame. Blame doesn't fix problems. Accountability does. As a leader, if you don't hold people accountable with real consequences, failure becomes a norm. When accountability is missing, team performance suffers. Commitment fades. Team members stop giving their best effort. High performers will feel frustrated and eventually leave. Opportunities for growth and improvement are lost. A culture of blame and avoidance takes over, creating a toxic work environment. Accountability isn't about blame. It's about setting standards, driving results, and building a team that plays to win. Now, let's talk about how to fix this, so you can build a team that actually delivers results. To build a culture of accountability and drive results, follow the ETC framework. Follow these 3 simple steps: expectations, tracking progress, and consequences. Let's start with step number 1, setting clear expectations. The number 1 accountability obstacle: leaders not being clear on what they expect. To avoid this, have a think of the goal end to end. What's involved? What challenges might arise? What resources are needed? How long will it take? This helps you set clearer, achievable expectations. Communicate your expectations. Make them specific and realistic. Explain the why behind them, their impact on the team or the organization. Set measurable targets. Define quantity, quality, and deadlines. Check for understanding. Address questions and ensure alignment. Show support. Let your team know you are there to help them succeed. Set them up for success. Gain their commitment. Accountability starts with buy-in. When expectations are clearer, accountability becomes easier and results follow. Once expectations are set, the next step is step number 2, tracking progress. Follow up regularly. Use one-on-one check-ins or team meetings to review progress. Coach and support. Offer guidance. Provide timely feedback. Acknowledge what is working and address what's not working. Resolve challenges. Proactively remove obstacles that hinder progress for the team. Create transparency. Make team goals and individual contributions visible. Help team members see how their performance impacts the overall success. Celebrate small wins. Recognize achievements and motivate the team. Support underperformance. Provide constructive feedback and necessary resources. Create a team dynamic that encourages a culture where peers hold each other accountable and without any blame. Now, the most important step number 3, consequences. The question at this stage is, has your expectation been met, exceeded, or not met? And applying the appropriate consequences. You have this continuum of consequences that helps you take appropriate actions based on your team's performance. This is indicative and needs to be tailored according to your circumstances. So, if your expectations are met or exceeded, recognize and reward achievements. Motivate the team to sustain and improve performance. Remember, good performance not rewarded is not repeated. What you need to do if expectations are not met: address the issue promptly. Delayed action weakens accountability. Provide targeted feedback, clearly outlining what needs to improve. Offer support. Training, coaching, and guidance can help improve performance. If underperformance persists, take firm action. If necessary, release, let go individuals who are constantly failing to meet expectations. Remember, no consequence means no accountability, and no accountability means no success. My ask to you is to practice these 3 steps to lead your team to success. Knowledge without action is less useful. The key to success is execution. Next time you assign a task or project to your team, apply the ETC framework. Set clear expectations, track progress, and apply consequences. By consistently practicing the ETC framework, you will build a culture of accountability and high performance. Now, it's time to take action. If you got value from this video, give it a like to show your support, subscribe to stay updated with more similar content, share it with your friends and network. It really helps the channel to grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.